birthday. Birthday. I'm annoying, but it's my birthday today. Welcome to a day in the life. Look at this, you guys. Look at this little setup. Let me see if I can find Tone made me an itinerary I wanted to show you guys. So it is Saturday. It's my birthday, my actual birthday. And Tone is out doing himself. Let me tell you, he is making up for other years. I must say so. How cute is this? Let me show you really quick. Let me turn the camera. Here, I turned it over. Tone made this itinerary for me. How freaking cute is this, you guys? For Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. I had no idea. He actually got me my Botox. I went for Botox Friday. I was gonna film and I didn't, but got Botox Friday. And then we just cut a cake yesterday at his mom's house, at Pina's house. And then today, home, I got to wake up at almost 11 in the morning. It was amazing. And I got some gifts. Let me show you what I got. I got this Mario, Makeup by Mario palette. I can't open it with one hand. Hold on, let me see. Oh, wait, I'm gonna sit it down. Sorry, guys. Here you go. I wanted this palette. It's all matte. So excited to use this. I haven't bought a palette in so long because I have so many, but I really wanted this all matte one. Got me a Nordstrom gift card. It got me, of course, the gift card for Botox, which I still have some because I am doing like a peel or a hydrofacial later. And then he got me this that I wanted from Sephora. This was like a birthday gift they gave him. I got flowers. I got balloons. Everything for my birthday. There's my little baby who sang happy birthday to mommy in bed, right? I got a card. I also got something else from Sephora that he got online. And I got some jeans from Abercrombie. Oh, and he also got me, I'll show you. I don't know why I don't have. He got me my own little bottle of champagne. And he even got a little bit of orange juice if I wanted it. Usually I don't do orange juice, so I'll do like a tiny splash of it. And then tonight we are going to dinner with my friend Corey and Rick, the ones that we went to Disney with. And then, who knows, probably just some drinks after. And then tomorrow I have a massage at 9 in the morning. I'm so excited. And then that's it. And then probably just hang out at home. But I figure I will vlog. I'm still in pajamas. It's 1. But because I woke up so late, I'm going upstairs now to get myself ready. I want to record some reels for Instagram. And then I pretty much, in my itinerary, says that I have the afternoon for myself.
Tomorrow I can get back Benny Bang at my house.
Yeah?
Okay. I can get him, but his mommy can drop him off. Then he will pick him up tomorrow.
Okay.
Then he can play with all my toys.
Yeah? Oh my God, you're so sweet.
This is the one I got. He can be this one, but in case I got this one. And I can be this, and he can be this one because he likes being this one.
Oh, okay.
And I will be these 2 girls.
Okay, perfect. Sorry, I'm recording from my phone because my memory card is upstairs. But I don't know what I was saying. What was I saying? Oh, yeah, in my itinerary says that I have from 11 to 5 o'clock to myself to do whatever I want. And I could include Tone and Pete, or I could just do whatever I want on my own. So we shall see. I said I might just get ready and take a stroll through Target by myself because you guys know I love my Target. And there's nothing like going to Target by yourself and just like taking it all in without a kid or anybody to bother you. So might do that. We'll see. I'm gonna go upstairs and just get ready and then film my little reels, and then we'll see what happens. It's nasty out though. It's like super cloudy and it's supposed to rain, so that always just makes me want to just stay home and hang out, but we'll see. But I'll come back in a little bit. Penelope gets to eat in my room and watch Chip and Potato, and Christine is here. She brought me presents. Oh my god, guys, you guys, I wanted this sweatshirt for the longest time. What? Okay, I'll get it. And then I couldn't find it. I never bought it, and then I couldn't find it, and I don't know how she found it, but she found it. And she got me this pretty bracelets. And this mug, I love this mug. It's so freaking cute. And then this beautiful card that made me cry. It's such a good card. Perfect for us. Yay! We are at dinner. Do you love me?
Yes.
How much?
This much.
They went to the bathroom, so I'm recording. We haven't gotten our food, but we are at a really good restaurant, so I am excited to get our bone-in fillet. And
candy pecans, caramel sauce,
hey,
icing, 3 layers for you. So just look at the menus and see how the desserts are.
this is downtown area. Cutest hotel ever. Downtown. It's so beautiful. Me and Tony used to live in a beautiful condo right up the street. I'll show you when I get out, but I'm walking to my massage and it's freezing out. We're here. Hello. Hello, little bear. You having chips? We came to Wegmans to get some. Why do you have your sunglasses on, you weirdo?
I don't want people noticing.
We have some subs, and then we have to pick up a couple of groceries really quick. Good girl. Yum. Lettuce, your favorite. We're having subs. It's really good, this sub from Wegmans. We are back home. Tone made P her lunch. Oh, I just put it in the fridge. He made her chips. A star sandwich. You guys, if you don't have cookie cutters, get some. They're $1 pretty much anywhere. And make your sandwiches into shapes. I know a lot of people already do this. I'm late to the game, but Penelope loves it and she'll eat her whole sandwich, and it's the perfect portion. Making a mess. We just came downstairs and there she was making a mess. Parents are here, you guys. I kind of just wanted to show you this a little bit before it gets filled up with things, but I decorated up here for them. I love this little nook here. Put little stockings. And then this is the big room. It's like huge. And that's another bedroom that we're making into a closet. So they'll be really good here. We still have a lot to do, but they're here. Yay!
Okay, wow, this rug is really nice and shiny and healthy. And can you close, please? Bite down. Close, 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 close. Good. And close again.
Close again.
Close. Those little cheeks. Okay.
Open, huh?
There you
So
go.
don't mind Penelope and Tone. They're both in here. And we are just... everything is everywhere. And this is the big room. There is a pull-out couch there. And then here we have this extra bedroom, which is pretty much, it's dented because this is the attic, but we're making a closet out of this. So this whole wall is going to be a closet. And let me show you really quick what the shelves look like. We got these 2 shelves. They have drawers at the bottom. So we're making a closet pretty much. This is going to be for folding stuff. Obviously 2 drawers. We have 2 of these shelves. And then in the middle, my dad will be building racks for hanging. So yeah, me and Tom will be putting this together right now. So wish us luck.
Okay.
Done, guys. Here's what it looks like. These are bookshelves again, but they work perfectly for organizing clothes. And we will have the stick in the middle to connect it with the other one. That will be like a dresser. And it has nice deep drawers here. Not bad to put together. I actually love putting stuff together. Go! Go up the hill, go! You could do it! You could do it! Oh, it's blizzarding! Do you want to go back in? No? You love the snow?
Yeah. Mom, come.
Say hi, Grandpa. Hi, Grandma.
Hi, Grandma. Hi, Grandpa.
Say, guys, come play in the snow with me.
Guys, come play with the snow. It's so deep and small.
You could do a heart.
What?
You could do a heart.
Do it, Mom.
Do it. Show me how you do a heart.
Look, P, I made a little snowman. Look.
Go, go, go look. Go look at Daddy's snowman. I'm coming. I'm behind you. If you want, go up the steps and play with the snow up there. Go.
Cuidado, cuidado. Dale, dale, dale.
Okay, una vez más. That's it. Dejen a Penélope primero que si no le caen encima. Go. There you go.
Vamos a tirar.
Go. Tienen que dejarse ir. Guys, I know this video has been just a collage of lost clips, but I wanted to share my birthday anyways. Sorry for the noise. It's crazy here. My whole family's here. But since it's New Year's Eve and tomorrow, well, yeah, tomorrow will be a new year. I just wanted to really quickly pop on here and say Happy New Year from us. I feel like this has been a tough year for everyone. Literally the entire world, and I think ours is ending on a good note, and we just wanted to wish you guys on a great note and wanted to wish you guys a Happy New Year from us. Hopefully 2021 is a better one, but thank you for hanging with us. Thank you for always supporting us and sending us all the love. Do you have anything to say?
No.
Tony's still getting used to being on camera, but I think you guys really like it from my last vlog.
Come Q&A 2021.
Oh yeah, we're gonna do a Q&A. Tone has agreed for a Q&A, so you guys stay tuned for that.
Contract.
It's in his contract. Q&A, so you guys keep that in mind. So I'm gonna ask you on my next video to leave questions, also on my Instagram, and we'll sit down one day to answer all of your questions. Do you have anything to say?
Yeah.
What are you gonna say?
I have to say, I have to say hi to Santa.
Hi to Santa.
Special shout
Hi,
out.
Santa. I hope I be good, and I'm being good yesterday, and all of my family are giving me. I love you. Bye.
Alright guys, bye. Happy New Year. I'll see you next year.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.